This is all in Japanese. Oh, the arm out. Oh, I can't believe this. I have to start over again. I feel like I'm making a little Build-A-Bear. Happy New Year, everyone. I'm Jess. I have these DIY keychains and I got them from Blippo, so I'll link them down below in case any of you want to try doing this. I've never made DIY keychains before, so I don't know if I'm going to do all of them, but I know for sure I'm doing one of them. And let me just show them to you. I got this one. So up at the corner here is what they're supposed to look like, and they do have each of the little parts listed on the back. It comes with the tools you need and the little keychain, so I just thought this would be just a fun, chill thing to do. I thought these were super cute, and I've never made a DIY keychain, so I'm like really excited to try and make this. I think I'm gonna do this one, and then if I have time, maybe I'll do one of these. I just don't know, because like I said, I don't know how long this is gonna take, but let's open it up. And then I did just want to note that like most of the parts are listed in Japanese, but it's pretty easy to understand. At least for me it is. I don't know. I did try learning Japanese at one point, so I kind of get it. Okay. This might be a little bit of a challenge because the instructions are in Japanese. So, I mean, there are pictures, so that's good. Hopefully the pictures work good and I'm able to understand that, because this is all in Japanese. I'm just gonna lay out each of the little parts just so I can see them. This must be the back. The eyes. Here, the eyes. Then we've got like all the string in here. Oh, the keychain's in here as well. And so is the little needle. And then here's the needle. It's not sharp at all. It's not even a real needle, but that's what I'm gonna call it. And then I think I'll just leave the stuffing in the bag for now because I don't want to have this all out on my bed, because I'm doing this on my bed. Gosh, I'm like really trying to understand these instructions before I start, because I basically have to just look at the pictures. And I don't know if I'm going to be able to do another one, because honestly this looks really difficult, but I'm going to try my best. So it looks like I'm starting with the face first. I'm going to start with the eyes. So the eyes are in this little piece and you just kind of pop them out. And then these are the pupils. So I'm going to pop these out right now. And then I think I need the white string. Oh my gosh, come out. Oh my gosh, I don't know what's going on. I'm gonna get it all knotted. What is going on? Oh god. Where does it end? Oh, I got one. Okay, so this is the pink. Let me separate this because this is gonna be crazy. I don't think I even need this much. Oh my gosh, I hope I'm doing this right. So then it looks like I'm going to line the pupil and the eye up and stick the needle through. Oh, is it not gonna go through? That's not gonna work. How am I gonna knot it? Oh, that looks difficult. I don't know how this knot is working. It just doesn't make sense. So the knot instructions are right here, and I just don't understand it. I don't know what's wrong with me. I'm just gonna do a knot, like a normal knot, because I have no idea what that's saying. I just hope that works. I think that should be fine. So I kind of just did a regular tie in the back and then I double knotted it. But here's what it looks like, and I'm gonna cut it. So that's the first eye, and I'm gonna do the next one before I continue. And then what I'm doing with the needle is I'm just kind of holding the string as I guess this isn't too hard so far. Felt like it was gonna be hard. And then now I'm just gonna do the knot. It's so crazy that this DIY came with instructions, and I was like gonna follow along with the instructions, but since I can't because it's in Japanese, it's like a real DIY. I'm just like sitting here improvising and hoping that it turns out okay. Okay, so both of the eyes are done. And now I have to stick them onto the front part of the body. This material is really soft, by the way. This is gonna be a big keychain. And I'm done with this black string. I guess it's cool that they give you a bunch, just in case you do make mistakes. And I'm going to work with one eye. I'm like aligning the dots up a little bit so it makes it easier. Do I go in first or do I go out first? On the picture it looks like the thread is like sticking out like all the time. I don't know if that makes sense, but I'm not a sewer, so I don't know like the right terms. Like in my eyes, some of it would go under, but it's supposed to go like over. You're supposed to see the thread. The pupils were so much easier. You know what? I'm just gonna come back when I figure this out because this is starting to become annoying. Okay, so I think I kind of have an idea of what I'm doing now. I'm still on the same eye, but I kind of tried something else and it looked like it was gonna work, so I'm just gonna try it again. I mean, that's all I can do, right? Try it again. I'm just going every other hole and then I'm just gonna work my way around again. I feel like it's like a DIY keychain, like anybody should be able to do it at like any age, and it's just really difficult. I don't understand how, even like if you got this for a kid as a present because say they like this character and they wanted this keychain, I don't understand how they would do it themselves. I mean, unless you speak and read Japanese, then it would be easy. Okay, so now I'm just going back around the opposite way. That wasn't my original plan, but it seems to be working a little bit. This is cool because it's like testing my patience. I don't know if I'm a very patient person, but maybe after this I'll be a little more patient. And hopefully I remember how to do this for the other eye because this is really hard to figure out. And now that I have figured it out, I will try to show it a little better. Oh my gosh, I did it. Yay! Okay, so now I can tie the knots just to finish it off. So here's the eye. And here's what the back looks like, just so you guys can see. So here's the front, right? I'm gonna go through it this way. So I went through, I'm just gonna leave like that much. And I'm gonna hold it like the entire time. That way it doesn't slip. So then I'm just gonna go in through the front. That way you can see it going through the back. And then I'm going to go through the back and you'll see it come through the front. And now I'm gonna go through the front and through the back again. And I'm just gonna keep alternating like that until it goes pretty much all the way around. So here's what it looks like now. And here's the back. And at this point, you don't have to hold this string because it's pretty tight in there. So now I'm gonna go through my last hole because there's still one left. So now that I'm gotten through this last hole, I'm gonna go back this way into this hole. So it's coming out the front here, and then I'm going to go through this next hole right here so that it's coming at the back. And you can see even the back is gonna have like the same pattern as the front, and it's gonna start filling in the gaps. I'm gonna go through this hole, and so now I'm at the front again, and you can see how the gaps are getting filled since we're going the opposite way now. And I'm just gonna do that until I get all the way back around. here's what the front looks like now, and I just have to tie the back. And it doesn't look like I need this white string anymore, but I have a bunch of it left, so that's awesome. So according to the pictures, it looks like the mouth and then like the scale parts are next. I'm gonna use the pink thread for the mouth, and the mouth is gonna go like right around here. And it looks like I'm gonna be doing the same thing that I did with the eye. Okay, so here's what the mouth looks like so far. And I'm gonna go through it again just like I did with the eyes. So this time I'm just going backwards. I think now that I've gotten a hang of how this is supposed to be done, it's gotten easier. So like if I were to do another one, I would know how to do it. But I think they should definitely add instructions in other languages. And I'm not just saying like English, like I mean other languages, because people from other countries get stuff like this too. So here's mouth. The back looks scary. The front probably looks scary too, I don't know. Now I'm gonna do the scales, and that requires this. I'm just gonna show this part when I'm done with it. Okay, so here's what it looks like so far. And for this part, I'm just starting through the back and then bringing it over and under, and then I'm just tying it off and cutting it. I think that's how that's supposed to work. Here's how this looks. Okay, so now it looks like I'm doing the tail, and I'm going to move to this back piece and do that. Whoa. Why are there extra holes? Oh, okay, that makes sense. What color do I use? I think I'm using the light blue. Alright, there's the tail. They want these like tied on when I'm doing like this whole body. I don't even know where to start. Okay, but where do they go? This one goes here, but like where do I start? Okay, so I'm thinking of starting down here at the corner and then working my way around. That way I can put the stuffing in, and I also gotta worry about this keychain too. Like, oh my gosh. This just got hard again. Okay, I'm gonna do this. Challenging myself with this DIY. I just realized they wanted it to be in like a twisted type of style. Like where it kind of wraps around like a little candy cane or something. That's the only way I can think of to describe it. So we're gonna start down, and then we're gonna wrap it around, and then we're just gonna keep wrapping it around. Oh, pull the arm out. Oh, I gotta pull the arm out even more because I don't know what happened here. It just like flew out of this little keychain. Why is this side longer? I can't believe this. I have to start over again. I feel like I just like went back in time and I'm working on the eyes again, where I don't understand how to do anything. Redoing this again. Oh no, no, no. Gotta be kidding me. I skipped a hole. Just when I think I've got it. I don't. Oh my gosh, it pulled out everything. This keychain, this DIY keychain just got super annoying again. I'm not taking the arm out this time. It's gonna work. It's gonna work. We're gonna manifest that this is gonna work because I'm tired of doing this over and over again. Let me just get these first couple spots right. Then I'll bring it up because apparently I need to focus a little bit. I just want to get past the arm. Oh, I did it. Okay. Now I have to worry about the ears. I feel like this just got a little easier again, and my camera's about to die, so I'm gonna take a quick break to change the battery. Okay, I'm back and continuing. I'll show you how much I have done. not too bad. After doing this for a little bit, it's getting easy again. I gotta remember that I can't close this off because I need to put the filling in. Stuffing, the filling. I feel like I'm talking about stuffing a turkey or eating Thanksgiving dinner. I don't know why, but this side looks different. What am I doing wrong? And I just mean like the back looks different. The front looks fine, but the back looks different. Here. That's the front, and it looks the same as this side. But like when I get to the back, like what is that? Like that's not happening over here. What am I doing wrong? I think I'm gonna try and put the stuffing in because I don't want it to be like a tiny little hole. So let me open this. I'm so glad this is almost done. This was really, really difficult. I feel like I'm making a little Build-A-Bear. Now I'm going to tighten it up now that I've gotten like the head, and then I'll add more in a second. Now I'm gonna add a little more stuffing since I just have this bottom piece left. I did it without any instructions. Oh my god, I forgot the arm. No, I'm so sad. I'm literally thinking of ways I could redeem myself. I'm gonna get this arm in here. I'm gonna cut this open. I'll just connect two strings somewhere. I'm gonna be so sad if my little idea to fix this doesn't work. Otherwise I'm just gonna I'm gonna accept that it was finished, and oh god, I wasn't even focused on that other arm. I just totally forgot about it. Now I can continue. I think I'm gonna have to figure out how to tie it here because I tied it right here. That way I could connect this new strand together because I was not gonna leave this little guy without his arm. I'm actually really excited to attempt the other ones now that I know how to do this. But like I said, I'm not gonna film that. I'm just filming this one. I'm just super thankful that I had enough thread to fix my mistake. That's really awesome that they include that much thread. They really do think about if people make mistakes. Yay! Okay, now it's done. This is so cute. It was fun all in all. I did enjoy doing this. It was an extreme learning experience because I've never made a keychain. This is awesome. I'm going to love this little thing forever because it's my first keychain I've ever made. Oh, it's really cute. It actually kind of looks like I bought this, so I'm excited. I'm glad it's over. I can't wait to do the next ones, and I hope I don't make the same mistakes. It took about like 2.5 hours. That was crazy. So hopefully these two don't take that long. Thanks for watching me do this little DIY keychain. If you want to try this out, I will put the link to this one down below. I'll also link these two down below too. Let me know what kind of DIY projects you're into. I like arts and crafts ones, so this is really cool. Thanks so much for watching this little DIY video that was difficult in the first place because the instructions were in Japanese, and then I had to figure out how to make all these other alterations because I kept messing up. If you like this video, make sure to give it a like. If you're new, make sure to subscribe and click that notification bell, and I will see you next time.